In this tutorial I will show you how to change TikTok region without VPN. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of the app. Next, tap on the three lines at top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of the TikTok app. Tap on Language. Can see on this page there are several options related to the language of the TikTok app. Make sure you change the app and preferred languages of the region you want to change. This way TikTok will know region you want to see its content. There's no other option here to change directly your region. This works, but it is not the best way. I will show you another option. Now go back. Next, scroll down and look for Report a Problem. Next, tap on Here Account and Profile. Tap on Profile Page. After that, tap on Other. Next, tap on Here Need More Help. This will take you to the TikTok feedback section. You have to explain here your problem you are facing to TikTok here. After that, tap on Submit and TikTok will solve your problem.